Hello trader and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect your Metamask wallet to Yanda. With Yanda you can automatically trade assets that are on Binance and pay your trading bot fees through your Metamask wallet. So to start with, you need a Metamask wallet. If you don't have one, go to the Metamask website and download the extension for your browser. You can find the link in the description. Once you have your wallet up and running, go to the Yanda.io website and click on the Launch Tab button on the top right corner. Once the page is loaded, click on the Connect Wallet button on the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking you to allow this site to add a network. In this case, the Celo Alfajores testnet network. Scroll down and approve it, then allow it to switch network. After, it will ask you for a signature to connect the wallet to Yanda. Sign the request by clicking on the Sign button. And this is how you connect your Metamask wallet to Yanda. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect your Binance API to Yanda. So, I'll see you in the next one.